Hi there, my name is Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today I'm going to show you what to do if you're trying to operate your PlayStation 4 with voice commands, and every time you say PlayStation it comes up with cannot operate the PS4 with your voice now. So let me give you an example of it and then how possibly you might be able to fix it. So watch this. PlayStation. There you go, cannot operate PS4 with voice now. It's because something on here is utilising the microphone. So now I have just been playing Rocket League with my friends, but I've exited the party. So if I go up to the party here, you can see that right now there are no parties you're invited to or parties your friends are in. Yet it's still not working. It's because I'm still in Rocket League. So if I hit there, if I hover over Rocket League and if I hit the options button, and then if I go to close application, just press X, you will now see that it will close, and now it should start working. So watch this. PlayStation. There you go. All commands. You see now it's working. So it really is as simple as that. Something on it somewhere is utilising that microphone, and hence the reason you're not allowed to use it. Either that, or you could always just try a restart, shut your PlayStation down, restart it, and that will hopefully fix the issue. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care, bye now.